Hey everybody, how are you? I'm back. It's another late night. Got home from work a little while ago, and I thought I'd show you my home. Now, as a lot of you know, I am not into the red truck anymore. Actually, I've been over it for a while. I think it's cute, and I have a couple things with the truck. Don't think it's red, the thing that I'm going to do for the 4th, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's blue. But for the most part, I'm over it, and that's just the way I am. You know, certain things I'll like forever. Other things, they phase in and out with me, and that's one of them. Anyway, but this I loved because it reminds me of the 40s, and it reminds me of the old ice trucks, maybe even earlier than the 40s. But to me, it has a lot more character, and I think this could be used for a lot of cute displays, and that's why I got it. And all the spring is 50% off. And if you look inside here, the little steering wheel and the little seat, I think that's so cute. And just look how retro that is. It is so retro. I love it. I just love it. So that will go good with my Mackenzie Child stuff, you guys. So I got that. And I deliberately waited for it to go 50% off. And I'm not going to decorate as much for the 4th of July, but I am going to decorate a little bit. And so I got some of their picks because they're 40% off. And this was $1.99. Now, a couple of these I think I'll put on, not this one, but isn't that pretty? I'll probably cut them off individually. But one of these I'll probably put on a faux cake, fake bake. Not all of them, probably one. And decorate with the others. Aren't those cute? I just want enough, and there's a couple things I'll be making DIYs for the 4th. And I really, really always like these. The little curly cues. Because you can make these longer if you want by pulling them out. And they have them for everything, for Christmas, for fall. So I have the red, the white, and blue, and I just got one set. They also have their flags 50% off. I thought this was pretty, the watering can with the flowers in it. I'll put that in my backyard. Thought that was really pretty. And then these stars, I'll decorate with some of these, probably in my kitchen. And then the little ones, I'll probably put a few of these on a fake bake. And the rest I'll put maybe in my 3-tier. Then I thought these were cute, the little mermaid tails and the shells, to also put a fake bake cake for like the sea. Isn't that cute? It's only $1.99. I think that would be cute. Then I just got these clay cutters circles. If I want to make my own ladybugs. Oh, and then you guys, these are so cute. I still like the gnomes. Look at these. Isn't that cute? This was only $2.99 and 40% off. Isn't that cute? And I got a couple things that I'm doing a haul on at Dollar Tree. Actually, really impressed with their gnomes for the Patriotic Decor. Look at this. This is in the spring section, and this would go perfect in my formal living room because of the colors. Because anyone that knows me knows I love this color of sage green with the purples. Those are my absolute favorite colors, in the cream in the beard. But look how he's holding the stick with the little lantern. Isn't he cute? I thought that was so cute, and the vine around him. So I'll put that on my end table. I thought he was so cute. Here's our paper. What do we do with that? We keep it, because this protects our counters, or you can use it to make patterns with. It's big enough. Don't throw it away. It's good paper. And then look at this one for my bee theme. Oh my gosh, you guys. They had two different ones. One held a welcome sign. Look at this. He's holding a bee. And then look at the bee skip. Oh my gosh, with the bee on top. And then look at the little flowers. I thought that was so cute. So that'll go with my bee decor. Let me fold this up real quick. It's not a real big haul. Got some of these rounds. They're plastic cake boards. I got one, it was 50%. And then these risers. I love these risers. And you could make this. Actually, I'm going to make one. I have some finials that I can put on a piece of wood, just so I can put in, you know, wherever you're at in the kitchen, you can put something else on it. I think they're really cute, but they work really well in decorating. So, and then I needed, I still have to get spackle, my lightweight spackle. But the clay right now is 30% off. And this Model Magic, and I can't remember the name of the other one now. Dang it. Model Light. Anyway, Model Magic, and I always get the white, and I've ordered this on Amazon. I have it, this I have in my store, my Amazon store, if you go and look. But you get 4 packages. It's normally $24.99. With the 30% off, it was $17. And it's well worth it if you do a lot of fake bake. Then the other one I needed, because I have some already at home, but I needed some black. Again, 30% off, and it's $3.99. And then I'm going to make sprinkles, and I'll take you along with me when I make my, I've done a video on them before a few years back, like 3 years ago, but I wanted the red, white, and blue, so when I make my faux ice cream in, I got these, oh gosh, I got these, I don't know, maybe a couple weeks ago, to put in here. So I thought that would be cute to have the sprinkles, the red, white, and blue. Also, I might take a little of this and use it for little tiny ladybugs, because I have some black. I hope I have some black. I'm sure I do. But anyway, guys, that's it. That's all I got. But I always like to show you in case there's something you might see that you think, oh yeah, okay, I like that. I want to get a boxwood wreath because I'm going to reinvent the Mackenzie Child one. But they're not on sale this week. They're on sale next week. And I won't buy it when it's not on sale. So that's it. Guys, that is all she wrote. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that there's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. You have a great night. Bye.